The Christ Consciousness Code, created by Peter Palmer, is a transformative program that unlocks your spiritual potential and guides you to manifest abundance in your life. Drawing on the lost teachings of Jesus Christ during his years in India, this comprehensive system connects you with your superconscious mind and the divine source of prosperity. At the core of the Christ Consciousness Code are powerful principles and practices that harness the energy of gamma wave frequencies. By tapping into these higher states of consciousness, you can align yourself with the universal flow of abundance and become the highest version of yourself. Through a combination of online audio files, books, and additional resources, the Christ Consciousness Code provides a step-by-step path to spiritual enlightenment and manifestation. Countless individuals have experienced remarkable transformations, reporting newfound prosperity, financial blessings, and a profound sense of purpose after engaging with the program. What sets the Christ Consciousness Code apart is its alignment with cutting-edge scientific research on brainwave frequencies and the power of consciousness. This unique blend of ancient wisdom and modern insights offers a holistic approach to personal growth and abundance that is both accessible and effective. As you embark on your journey with the Christ Consciousness Code, you'll discover a supportive community and a wealth of resources to guide you every step of the way. Whether you're seeking greater financial freedom, enhanced relationships, or a deeper connection to your spiritual self, this program provides the tools and knowledge to help you manifest your dreams. Testimonials from satisfied customers attest to the life-changing impact of the Christ Consciousness Code. From unexpected windfalls to a renewed zest for life, the transformations experienced by participants are nothing short of extraordinary. If you're ready to unlock your full potential and create the abundant, fulfilling life you deserve, the Christ Consciousness Code is your key to success. With its proven principles, expert guidance, and a commitment to your personal growth, this program offers a path to spiritual enlightenment and prosperity like no other. Don't settle for a life of limitation and lack. Embrace the power of the Christ Consciousness Code and discover the boundless possibilities that await you. Take the first step towards becoming the highest version of yourself and manifesting the abundance you truly deserve. To discover more about the Christ Consciousness Code and begin your journey of transformation, click the link below and explore the program today.